This is the program for ATM machine to log in, to withdraw, to check the money. Required libraries are given. The bot token charted is server. We have to upload balance amount in split code, server name, API key. Bot request delay. Int OTP is used to store random generated OTP from ESP32. Signed in withdraw amount is used to store or withdraw amount. Touch values are given ESP32. I have only 9 touch pins in the touch D2 pin is not working. Firstly, handle new messages when it gets start. This message will print in serial monitor in bot. Login. When login is pressed, OTP random number is generated. That is stand in bot, and this is the way to get the OTP from the touch pins. After way to touch pins, then we call OTP verify function. OTP verify function equal touch one value to GPIO4, 2 value to 15, 3 value to GPI 13 pin, 5 to 12, 6 to 14, and so on. To get the value 0, we have to touch GPIO 4 and 15 at the same time. For also to get the value 4, we have to touch GPIO 13, 12 pins at the same time. After 2 pins are touched, the loop will break, and this will value our value equal to OTP, but will send OTP verified. Then to withdraw money, we will enter the money by using touch pin. Using touch pin, amount 0 initialize while count. We for value 0 we will change. For value 0 we have to touch D4 pin. For value 1 we have to touch D4 and also 15 at the same time, because 0 value is more or required in this, so I'll change that. All other is same. Count value I given 5 because of 5 digits is in 25,000. This function will return amount. This will store in variable withdraw amount that will be printed in serial monitor or to bot. Next one is if withdraw amount is not in multiples of 2000, 1000 and 500, it will not enter this loop. It will not enter this loop. If it is multiple of the 2000, is denomination function will be called with the withdraw amount. The amount is greater than balance, it will show in sub balance. If less than, it will take money, and denomination 2000 notes also decreased. At the last, balance amount is shown. Text dot balance will show the balance amount. System is again connecting to our server. Is connected to our server. Our bot is also started. If we enter start, we have given with the message Firstly we check the balance amount. Here is balance amount is 25,000. Next we will login and the OTP generated by SP32, that OTP is 90. These are the value. To get the value 90 to have touched the GPIO pin of SP32. To get value 0, we have touch GPA 4 15 at the same time. It automatically takes the value because of the error in GPA IO 13 3 pin and GPA of 15 pin. Again we press login. OTP is given 33. Given 33. Have to touch that. Withdraw amount again. Firstly it is taken, so by mistake it is taken, and 25,000 is stored in Viprom. So now present balance amount is 4,940 only. Withdrawn amount is 50,000. Insufficient balance is there, so can't draw withdraw amount. This is the balance amount in ThinkSpeak Cloud presently. Firstly it is 25,000, then it is decreases to 4,000, then some mistake.